Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, and it's Tuesday, January 20th, around 10:45. We're done for the day in the Mojo room. We got just a little straggler rebuys we've done, nothing large at all by any means. And let me show you what we've done in the Mojo room. It's been quite a spectacular morning, and this is a follow-up from Friday on our FXCM, which was the biggest score in Mojo history. CNET you should be out of right now for your nickel. Nickel's been accomplished. CNET flat. Made the nick. Completely done, not trading it anymore. Oh, Gino's done too. Good job, Gino. See that? Told you. Nice job. So right now we're in JDST, just added at 703 on the position right here. And I really like JDST because Nugget's it's already been here at the high, let it go up a little bit more. JNUG back up, it's already been up to 48, let it go up again and come down. It's in a nice little box they got right here, very orderly up and down. So we get a little downturn in it now. JDST runs back through 711, goes to 20. We've already traded it 4 times doing that this morning. So first trades of the day were quite nice. NVAX, really large, big trade of the day. Yeah, I'm still live. Oh yeah, it works. Hello. Got 10 viewers on there right now. We'll go over the swing. We'll go over the day trade. So we did a beautiful trade on NVAX right off the open. Sold at 704. Rebought at 694. Filled at 92. And we sold it back above 7 again. Okay, NVAX. Great. JDST 733. FXCM we traded. JDST, FXCM, CNET was great from 181 to $2. CNET, double up at 97, sold it at 2. Boom, made 3 times. So right here, we had a lot more people in the room. Some people have left, but let's just check out the daily goal. Right now, it is the 20th, and it is 11 a.m., let's say, but we've been done since 10:30 in the room. So from 10:30 on, let's say from the 10 trades we have done in CNET, FXCM, JDST, NVAX was beautiful in respect to making your daily goals. Hey, we got 2 traders that haven't hit their goals. Let's see how that can be. Okay, we've already explained it before, but I'll show you. The guy who hasn't hit his goal is new to the room, because with that kind of action and trading, you got to be new to the room. Okay, so he actually wound up hitting it after all. So why did you mark that you didn't? Then why did you mark that you didn't just now? I don't understand. That doesn't make sense. Who else didn't hit their goal? Gino. Gino, how can you not hit your goal today from that? Is quite amazing. You hit the wrong button. That makes sense. Gino, that's impossible with the trades that we've done. You must be doing something wrong, bro. Are you new? Must be new. You made only 300. That's cool. What's your goal for the day? Well, let me help you out here, my friend. In order to make $500 a day, that's 10% max goal. You need 30,000 in buying power on a 5K account. What do you have? See, I make sure everybody hits their goals. This guy made 4 times the goal. 8 people hit their goal. a person 4 times their goal. You have 16,000 in buying power, then you don't have enough, bro. Your goals are way too big. Okay? You're way too big, Gino. For 16K in buying power at 6 to 1, that means you have a $2,000 account, bro. On a $2,000 account, easily 5% a day, no leverage, then you're trading wrong. You're not a day trader. Conversations ended. Over. You just ruined the poll for no good reason. So in the future, until you get leverage and trade correctly, there's no way you'll make your goal. So either you're going to have to get with Short Trader or one of the firms that give you the leverage, or you're not going to make your goals. It's that plain and simple. So he's new to the room. The not hitting the goal for him is not realistic. For the other people, it's pretty realistic. We've only have 11, 15, 21 people. Come on, guys. We got 4 times that amount of people in here. Please take the poll. What you make today. First, before we show what we made today, FXCM from Friday. Average cost $1.40. Sold $4 plus. It's right now at $1.50. Who made money Friday trading FXCM in this room? $4,000. Nice. Anybody else? $16,000. Good job, Phil. $250. Good job, Bruce. Got the Disney Cup today. $853. Nice job. Made on 2,000 shares from 152 to 445 on 700 shares. Good job. Made 17,000. Good job, Iceman. Proud of you, bro. FRO in the swing. Sold half at the high of the day. Nice job, Miguel. 2,100. Made 336. Nice job. How'd you do today trading? Who made money? From the 10 trades we've done. I'm going to add on JDST. I just want to see where J-Nug is and Nugget. All right, we got a red bar coming down. I'm going to add on both. I'm adding on JDST. JDST's been a money bank today. Add 706 to 10, and we sell again 19 to 22, and hold half. See if it breaks. If it doesn't, reverses. We get out of the rest. Now, there's a lot of rooms out there, you know, that give out picks, and they're like, yo, check out this pick I'm going to give you, and they're going to go CNET right here at $1.77, okay, just like before, and they're going to go CNET long with a 10-cent stop. And what's going to happen is the stock's going to go and it's going to make a high, like this one did at 201. And you're going to say, wow, look, everybody, on my report for my day trade room, I gave out CNET at 177, and now look, let's say it's at 220. And you're like, look at that close. I gave it to you at 177. That's a 50-cent move that you could make in my room. Well, you bought at 177. The stock went to 201. It made that new high. Now it's back at 177. And yeah, let's say at the end of the day it goes to 250, and you were right. You mean to tell me you took it all the way up, you rode it all the way back down, you took it all the way back up, back down, before you took any profits? Listen, it's the wave theory. There's the first wave of the day. Here's your second wave of the day. There's your next one. Here's your next one. Your first one's good for 30 cents. Your next one's only good for 15. Your next one's only good for 5. CNET on the last trade we did is only good for a nickel, 3 cents to 5 cents. That's it. Day's done. Make money on JDST one more time, and we're done. ETRM, I got some of that too at 127, 128 from this morning, 5,000 shares. It's doing nothing. Let's go over the swing. Trading with the swing. So here's the swing portfolio. ABCD, it's traded 1 share. Longest term holding in the MOJO swing portfolio. It's traded 1 share. Oh, look at that. Trading for today. Pez made 11.25. Gino's made money on every trade with me so far. Nice. 321, Rocky. Nice. Never lost on 1 trade. Yeah, you can hold that. Sure, ETRM. It's in play. Absolutely. It's only down a nickel. If you can't hold it, sell it. It's a nickel. How much have we made today? You made from CNET from 177 to 201. Look, we bought CNET right here. We sold CNET right there. There's your Cupid top. V-band 1, 2, 3, sold into a Cupid top. Look, Mojo, you look. V-band break buy 1, 2, 3, and there's your Cupid top. We sold right into it. Perfect. See this volume bar? That was at 2, selling at 2, doubling up at 97.98. Traded 553,000 shares going into that bar. Yeah, it's our liquidity, baby. Swings are doing nothing. Jivo's up tiny. Amron's doing nothing. Radio Shack's doing nothing. Viggle's doing nothing. LRAD's doing nothing. Meal is doing nothing. Oxys is doing nothing. EXXI's down 20 cents. Yay. Neuro's up nothing. Amron I'm adding. It's our new pick. I like it. FRO sold half into this high here today at 364. And all the new picks are just doing nothing. So it's a nothing day. Happy went up a little bit, but on no volume. So that's it. It's a nothing day. Look at the NASDAQ gainer list. Very, very small amount of shares. It's a weird day. UVXY was down earlier. Now it's up. It's down to 29.30. Now it's can't stop. Nugget's going to come down now. And or go through that high of 2080 and test towards 21. And JNUG, I think it's done. I'm loving JDST right here. I'm just loving it. Just like we tapped it 7 times. So here's JDST. Let's see the taps. So JDST was a trend trade from the open. This is how we traded it. Okay? We're going to buy 4 buys of 500 shares each throughout the morning, buying 500 shares at the open at 727 to 32. Then we wait for dip number 2 at 707 to 12, and or that's the trade play. Okay? So JDST 734, there's the initial. Let's see, JDST adding another 500 right there on the dip at 18. Perfect. That's 1,000. Average is 33. Got 2,000 right here, adding at 707, which was the plan. Perfect. JDST average 2,000 at 730. Watch this. JDST adding 500 more at 707. JDST filled 709. JDST average is now 720, adding 500 more. Adding 1,000 now. Adding 5,000 now at 11. Average is like 16. Adding another 5,000. Selling 20 to 25. Sold 12,000. Average 22. Sold three quarters of it. Going to box the rest. Box down there, adding at 712. Bought at 11. Here's the sold. Power move above 20. Boom, done. Sold again. Waiting for the rebuy. There's the rebuy, 707. Adding at 14. Added at 11. added at 3, added at 6. We're going to sell 19 to 22, and that's what we should be approaching now. We're right on target. So get ready, and we're going to sell half at 19 to 22. See what it does from there. CNET, I'm taking off the screen. We're done for the day. FXCM, we're done for the day. I'm sick of trading it. Looking at it, ETRM, I'm still in it. I'm down 6 cents. There's no big deal. Don't have a lot of shares of it. NVAX, we're done for the day. Goodbye. You guys, interesting for a swing. BBRY, I don't like you anymore. Goodbye. JDST, you're going to 720 right now. Let's look at the JNUG and the Nugget. Big size at 48 on Nugget. It's going lower. And that's about it. Let's see what we got going on the ticker. Lego Joe. Show you the swing. Yeah, the swing's nothing, not a lot of picks. It's a weird market right now. I said that this morning. Am I buying you guys? No, not right now. I'll let you know. Become a member of the swing. You'll know when I'm buying you guys. What did I say this morning? Traders who made money on FXM when it reopened, beautiful. Win of a lifetime. If you got greedy, you're toast. 10,000 shares, 40,000 profit. Only held 3,000. Toasted. We bought it now at 116. So many people bought it 450. That's it. 7,000 profit. Nice, beautiful. Whoa. Interesting. Hope it's coming out all right on Ticker TV. If it is, it is. If it isn't, it isn't. I don't see the images coming up, but whatever. If it is, it is. It isn't, it isn't. Just worried about getting done for the day. We'll finish up on the JDST. FRO sold half in the swing. Let me show you the swing portfolio for the traders that are watching from that. Here's the Mojo swing portfolio right now. Profited this month on closed trades right here. 49 out of 48 for 98%. We're in Radio Shack. Okay. Adding it here today. I'm going to give you some fills. Radio Shack and some quotes. Here we go. You ready? Your two buys. Your initial buy and then your buy on the dip. 24 to 27. Your average should be right around here. 26. 25. Wiggle, I may add. So Radio Shack, you should be in right here at 26. Moby. High 394, low 388. You should be in at around 390 average, right where it is. CWST. $380 to 92. Your average should be around 86 to 85. Ameren. Sounds right at around $1 104 to $1, correct. Your average should be 102. And Appy made a nice move this morning. For people who traded that, great. Otherwise, I didn't because there was not enough volume, but it did make a good move, and I think it's just starting. 192 to 94, low 191, average should be around 195. Done. And that's the new picks. Here's the watch list, Voltari VLTC, because it made a big move on, if you look at the daily right here, on Friday. And right now it's just sitting right now, 102 to 120. Yingling Energy on the watch list. On the watch list, Turtle Beach. And that's it. FRO sold half. So FRO right here, average is 322, sold at 362. Made 12.4% on that. And then a little bit more on the reversal. And we've already traded that. FRO from 330 to 360 once before. So now we're in from 322. So if you didn't take the profit again, I don't know what you're waiting for. You missed it the first time, you could miss it the second time. This is half a position closed, and here's your reversal. 10 cents. If you don't scale in it, if you're not a scaler, just sell it all on the initial move and you're done. This was sold at 352. Position's closed. It's actually 3/4. Now you have a quarter left. So we'll just put it, we'll sell it, see if it goes back up, otherwise we'll get out of it. And this is January 20th. And that's 51 out of 50. Scaled in and scaled out. Average gain, I love these Google Docs, 9.6%. Average hold, 8 days. And that's it. Nothing's really happening today. Not a lot of action. We're going to add 1,000. That's 713 and 14 on JDST. I think gold just comes down now. It's up too high, too many days in a row. It's got a trend of going down like that. I'm going to add some right here on a dip. And that's pretty much it. From the money we made in FXCM and the trading today, you guys be staying in the Hotel California, baby. Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, any time of year, you can find me here. Online is differently twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. Got some JDST at 711 and 709. If this works, I'm going to go to 711 for a big old Slurpee. Come on down, Goldie Gold Gold. Nugget just went under 50. Here's the run on JDST. Don't get greedy. Sell half, maximize the rest. Don't get greedy. Hold on a second. Okay, Matter. Gotcha, buddy. Saw your message. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain. Please bring me my wine. Said we haven't had that
night. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. They're living it up at the Hotel California.
Dude, Nugget just fell to under 40 to 30s now. Dude. So let's see if we can get a move. Otherwise, we're like in a box here with the market. So we did good on the buying side. Let's just see what we can get on the upside. So Pro Trader Mike's going to be signing off. And recap's done for the day. For you guys following me on Ticker TV, thanks. And let's take a, I'm not going to open that back up because it rings and vibrates. So let's just keep cool. ETRM's actually coming back a little bit. So if it gets to 127, break out even on that. Otherwise, we're just trading JDST right now. And Pro Trader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable. I will see you tomorrow.